Ready to uncover the secrets of one of nature's coolest cleanup crews? Let's talk vultures. Vultures are incredible birds that play a vital part in our ecosystem. They might look a bit intimidating, but they're actually nature's cleanup crew, feasting on dead animals and preventing the spread of diseases. There are 23 species of vultures, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Their bald heads aren't just for style, it helps keep them clean while they dine. Vultures have super strong stomach acid that kills harmful bacteria, making them the ultimate recyclers. Plus, their wingspan can reach up to 10 feet, that's longer than most cars. So next time you see a vulture soaring high, give a nod to these unsung heroes of the wild. Stay curious, nature enthusiasts.